In this video, I will show you how to make AI voice great again.
Sir, how many tools have you actually tried so far?
Honestly, I don't even remember anymore. Maybe around 10 different ones.
Why did you choose Microsoft's VibeVoice as your main text-to-speech tool?
As you can hear, it delivers very natural sounding voices, supports more than 50 languages, and can even handle long conversations up to 90 minutes. I realized this was the tool I actually wanted to keep using.
This tool is so overpowered that Microsoft had to temporarily lock the repository over misuse concerns. But don't worry, the community quickly released an 8-bit quantized version. Best of all, it's perfectly integrated into ComfyUI, letting you run it right on your personal PC, without needing a super high-end rig. To deploy VibeVoice, we will use the ComfyUI platform. You can run it entirely on your local machine or harness the power of cloud GPUs like RunPod and Google Colab. In this specific video, I will guide you step by step on how to set it up on RunPod. Furthermore, ComfyUI's power extends far beyond audio processing. It is essentially a robust graphic tool for generating high-quality images and videos, allowing you to deeply customize your workflow to achieve the best possible results. Before we proceed to the detailed technical walkthrough on how to set up this tool on ComfyUI and RunPod, I invite you to listen to some actual conversation samples generated by this model.
I can't believe you did it again. I waited for 2 hours. 2 hours! Not a single call, not a text. Do you have any idea how embarrassing that was, just sitting there alone?
Hey, remember See You Again?
Yeah, from Furious 7, right? That song always hits deep.
Let me try to sing a part of it for you. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
What?
Welcome to Tech Forward, the show that unpacks the biggest stories in technology. I'm your host, Alice, and today we are diving into one of the most anticipated and frankly, most chaotic tech launches of the year, OpenAI's GPT-5.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the VibeVoice podcast channel. I'm your host Linda, and today I want to share some very interesting and authentic Chinese expressions with you. In Chinese, when you want to say something is super easy, just a simple task, you can use the phrase 小菜一碟. It literally means a small dish of food, but it means a piece of cake. For example, if you want to say, adding and subtracting 3-digit numbers is a piece of cake for me, you can say, 三位数的加减法对我来说小菜一碟.
For a more objective perspective, when benchmarking performance against current leading models like Gemini Pro 2.5 TTS, 11v3 Alpha, and Higgs-Audio v2, VibeVoice achieved a highly impressive human preference score, which reflects the actual preference rate among real users. The link to access this workflow is included right in the description. Once you're there, go ahead and register a RunPod account. A great perk is that on your first deposit, you'll receive a bonus ranging from $5 to $500, depending on the amount. As you can see on the screen, RunPod offers a wide variety of GPUs. However, since VibeVoice doesn't require an extremely powerful graphics card, I will select a mid-range GPU to optimize costs. Next, ensure you have the correct workflow template selected. In the storage configuration section, prioritize choosing network volume over the local disk, as it is highly cost-effective, just 7 cents per GB per month. That's it! Now simply click Deploy on Demand. This process will take a little time for the system to automatically download the models and install the necessary nodes. While we wait, direct your attention to the right control panel. There are 2 core connection ports we will be working with extensively. Port 8188 is for the ComfyUI interface, and port 8888 is the Jupyter Lab workspace. From here, locate and open the terminal window. Next, copy and paste this command snippet. I have also included it right below in the video description for your convenience. Finally, just press enter, and the system will automatically download the necessary models and custom nodes for VibeVoice. After the installation is complete, we will open the ComfyUI interface to start using VibeVoice. Double-click on the workspace to search for and add nodes. For this example, I will start with the single speaker model. Next, we need a load audio node for the reference audio input and an output node to receive the generated speech. Please prepare an audio file of the voice you want to clone. You can even use your own, ideally about 10 seconds long. After that, enter the text you want to convert, hit the run button, and wait for the system to process it.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to CereLabs. What you are hearing right now is an AI-generated voice from VibeVoice. It sounds remarkably human, doesn't it?
In the next experiment, we will evaluate VibeVoice's multilingual capabilities. We will transition to using the multiple speaker feature rather than the single speaker. To set up multiple reference voices, I need to duplicate the input audio nodes. Here is a very useful shortcut in ComfyUI that you should know. Simply hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and drag the node to duplicate it immediately. I will sequentially input scripts in Korean, German, and Spanish. Specifically, we will test whether the model can retain characteristic accents by having these native voices speak English. In the detection section, there is a very important note. You need to number the lines from 1 to 4 before each dialogue. This step helps the system recognize and apply the correct reference voice to each sentence. After double-checking, hit run and let's wait for the final output.
안녕하세요 여러분, 세렐랩스에 오신 것을 환영합니다. 지금 듣고 계신 목소리는 인공지능이 생성한 한국어 음성입니다. 정말 자연스럽고 놀랍지 않나요? 앞으로의 발전이 더욱 기대됩니다.
Hallo und herzlich willkommen bei CereLabs. Wir testen heute diese neue, faszinierende künstliche Intelligenz. Es ist unglaublich, wie realistisch und menschlich eine maschinelle Stimme mittlerweile klingen kann.
Hola a todos y bienvenidos a CereLabs. Esta es una prueba de voz en español utilizando tecnología de inteligencia artificial. Es sorprendente cómo podemos romper las barreras del idioma tan fácilmente.
Hi guys, welcome to CereLabs. I'm actually from Korea and I'm speaking English to you right now. If this video was helpful, please hit that subscribe button.
A small but highly useful tip when using VibeVoice is inserting the pause tag to create resting gaps for the speaker. You can use the default pause for 1 second of silence or customize the exact duration using the pause.number of milliseconds syntax. However, there is a crucial technical warning. This tag forces your text to split into separate chunks. This may worsen the model's ability to understand the overall context, as the AI will only process each chunk independently. Let's listen to an example to see it in action.
Hello, this is a test of the VibeVoice text-to-speech system. Do you like my voice? What's your name? Hello, this is a test of the VibeVoice text-to-speech system. Do you like my voice? What's your name?
If you have any questions during the setup and usage of VibeVoice, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. I will answer them for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos from CereLabs.